hope you are doing good. Are you excited about summer break? Yes, I'm excited about summer break. I was not asking you. I was asking our friends if they were excited about summer break. Oh, okay. Well, now that you're here, let's go on our mission for today. Mission? Where are you going? We are going to the Tower of Babel from long ago. Tower of Babel. Yes, Rosie. Tower of Babel. Okay, well then let's go. 1, 2, 3, time lapse. Oh, where are you? We are at the Tower of Babel now, and we are seeing it being built. What are they doing? One person is taking rocks, and the other person is taking mud. They are trying to build a tower to heaven. Oh no! Who's going to be angry? Yeah, Rosie, I think that God will be angry. Oh no! Why are those people fighting? I don't know why those people are fighting. Oh no! Now those people are fighting, and now everybody is fighting. What happened? Yeah, what happened? Wait, listen closely. They are all now talking in different languages. Yes, they are. God saw that they were trying to build a tower to heaven, and God punished them. Yes. God did punish them. Okay, well, then now let's go back home. Okay, let's go back home. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! We're back home now. We are back home. So friends, from the example of the Tower of Babel, we learned that we should not do something that does not please God. Yes, I would do something that pleases God. Okay, Rosie. So, now it's time to say